Well, hello, and today I thought I should share with you a song of encouragement in a time of hopelessness as the world is trying to deal with the coronavirus. I thought this song would be quite fitting because it talks about Christ being on the throne. And we read from scripture that as he entered into Jerusalem, the people celebrated the king. Um, Even though that they thought that this was an earthly kingship, nonetheless, Christ was ushering in a new dispensation in that he was um, finally going to put sin to the curb, so to speak. And he remains king over our lives spiritually as much as he did then and still today. So I hope this will encourage someone and yeah, enjoy. Agere Pachigaro, Agere Pachigaro, Jesu Mochene, Ishewe Mazishe, Agere Pachigaro, Agere Pachigaro, Jesu Muchene, Ishewe Mazishe, Agere Pachigaro, Agere Pachigaro, Jesu Muchene, Ishewe Mazishe, Agere Pachigaro, Agere Pachigaro, Jesu Muchene, Ishewe Mazishe, Changamire Mponesi, Changamire Mponesi, Girosi Zino Muombera, Girosi Zino Murumbita, Changamire Mponesi, Changamire Mponesi, Ishewe Mazishe, Changamire Mponesi, Changamire Mponesi, Girosi Zino Muombera, Girosi Zino Murumbita, Changamire Mponesi, Changamire Mponesi, Ishewe Mazishe, Changamire Mponesi, Changamire Mponesi, Girosi Zino Muombera, Girosi Zino Murumbita, Changamire Mponesi, Changamire Mponesi, Ishewe Mazishe, Agere Pachigaro, Agere Pachigaro, Jesu Muche.